What up, y'all? What up? What up? What up? What's down? Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be the first ever CBU racing video for the channel. Oh Lord. So, boom. This is what we're gonna be talking about. This is what we're gonna be talking about with this channel. Well, I'm gonna introduce y'all to the channel. Introduce y'all to what we're gonna be doing on this channel, stuff like that. It'll be mostly like little tedious stuff that we do every day. Or while we, you know, while we just racing and shit like that. Car shit, mostly.
I got 1,000 right now on my little brother. No cap. Put money in my mouth there.
Oh yeah, hold up. Hey, put my camera.
Y'all make sure y'all follow my dog Instagram. Saw a little CBU sticker.
Look. You run down? This bitch come back out the shop? It's your ass.
Hey,
your ass.
I want all my money.
It's your ass. Roll and dig.
But shit, but today we gonna have a whole big car meet. Well, I don't know how big it's gonna be, but we gonna have a little car meet, whatever. Be a nice little car meet. It should be. See a lot of people reposting the little, you know, the little flyer I made or whatever. A couple flyers I made. I'm gonna post them in the channel. Well, on the video. I'm gonna post them on the video. But shit, car meet started about 7:30. But shit, I gotta go hit that car wash right quick. Car kind of dirty and shit. I advise y'all to never go through a car wash. Never. Swirl marks. It's the worst thing to get. Swirl marks.
Lightweight 4 stars. I want them to check. So bad. Fire. Hold on.
Record. So boom, we done made it to Sonic. Kind of skipped the car wash or whatever, just to make it here early. Me and Dope Beezy here, first people here or not. Little Sonic car meet. Flopping posted, I think a lot of people come to this booth.
Everybody come late.
Yeah, pop up about 8:30 or before, like right before we close.
You can't. No, everybody else will put it.
What that?
The crew.
Shit, we could have met up with him. Still waiting to see who will pull up.
I gotta put some lasagna in the oven. I ain't gonna eat it, don't wait till somebody else pull up.
What that?
I put lasagna.
Lasagna? Oh man. Yep, this the meet spot though. Meet up at Sonic, right in Thibodaux off the highway. Right by Academy and Walmart, all that. Shit, I'm gonna see y'all whenever some people start pulling up.
Yeah, but Empire doing it for us too. CBU tour.
My bro BG pulling up. Sonic meet might be lit tonight. You never know. Should be. Shit, catch his pulling. What's up? What up, bro? Hey, that fucking that's a turbo diesel, boy. I'm telling you, that bitch get down. Get that bitch down. Somebody, who that is pulling up? Kaylin? New exhaust? All right, Mr. McFly, show me some. All right. Mr. Diggy. What's up? Ooh, check out the honeycomb on this thing, man. There's honeycomb on there. All honeycomb. God. And it's a scat. Shoo. Check out it. We're gonna check out Mr. McFly car. Been a little dirty. I know you just got off work. Everybody. Man, that bill was loud, bro. Were you a patting on it? Oh yeah, that bill was super loud. Yeah. Mr. McFly car. What you change? What you change? Oh, on the exhaust. Mr. Blackout. Got some new exhaust.
They gotta put on the oil now.
Yeah. Follow his Instagram, y'all. Check that out. What's up, bro?
What's happening?
This is the first ever bid. First ever bid. Ooh, Mr. Daytona. What up?
Might win this money tonight. Give my old leader a dog.
What's up, bro? Y'all follow his Instagram too. And support the slept on. There they baby. Hey, about that.
He giving you the hit, bro. He giving you the hit.
When? I'm on dead and dry, bro. Dead and dry right now. The rest of the shit about him. You want that bitch on camera.
I could put the bigger jets in it. Put it on the 200.
Well, if you talking like that, we gotta blow a car to the house. Nitrous getting blue. And we give you 200 hit.
Get in my car.
I got an old motor car in the house.
I thought that
Everyone's 9 O's.
was your boy. Thought he wanted his shake back.
It's on a small tire.
Man, go get that motherfucker. Have it July 25th, your motor car, your blower car, everything.
I ain't got a motor car. I wish I did. I want to 0-1 like a
But
motherfucker.
you got that night, you gotta run out blower car though. You running?
I don't care. Anybody. Real shit, stock bottom.
Oh, the night that boy got on that. 2 kids.
Nah, fuel solenoid, nitrous solenoid.
Hey, Jay, the man said don't walk off after you talk that big shit.
Right. BG, what happened when me and Doe Beans reached at the pad?
After the 64, what happened?
I beat him.
What happened?
They don't got no proof. They don't got no proof though.
Man, everybody said that when I didn't even have the bottle. I just